Hello friends, this video on electricity and circuits part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So now we come to a very interesting topic. So in the previous slides you saw that whenever you connect a bulb with a battery, the bulb starts glowing. So here we will look at all the possible scenarios which causes the bulb to glow and what are those scenarios under which the bulb will not glow. So the first criteria that has to be met in order for a bulb to glow is that the entire electric circuit has to be complete. So if you look at this circuit, is the bulb glowing right now? No. So when will the bulb glow? So here this symbol represents the switch. So this represents switch. Now you will learn about these representations in class 7. So these are the various symbols which are used in a circuit diagram. Now whenever you switch it on, the bulb starts glowing. So why did this happen? Because now the circuit is complete. Now a lot of questions might be coming to your mind. The first question must be, what is circuit? I am using this term circuit over and again. But what exactly is a circuit? So let us look at this scenario. So this will help you to understand what a circuit is and what do we mean by a complete circuit. So let's say there is a pull or there is a bridge and this bridge connects two towns A and B. So you can see a cyclist here, a person on the cycle. Now this person wants to reach from A to B. Okay, so what will he do? He will take his cycle and he will ride on his cycle and he has to cross this bridge in order to reach B from A. Right? So what he needs this complete path. So this path has to be there over which he will ride his cycle and that's how he will reach from A to B. Now let us say if somebody breaks this bridge in the middle. So let's say that the bridge is broken in the middle. So do you think that the cyclist will be able to reach town B? No, because in this portion there is no path over which he can ride his cycle. So as soon as he reaches here, he will have to stop. So as a result, the cyclist will not be able to reach B. Why? Because the path is not complete. So the same thing is true for this circuit also. So circuit is nothing but a path which is needed for the current to flow, because current is nothing but the flow of electrons. So electrons need a path on which they can move. So if there is no path or if the path is broken, electrons will also not move, and if electrons are not moving, there is no current. It is as simple as that. So in this case, when the switch was off, the circuit was actually broken. So the path was broken. So the electrons were not able to move, and that is why the current was not flowing. As soon as we switch it on, the circuit is complete. So there is a complete path on which the electrons can move. So therefore this is very, very important, that a complete circuit is needed. Only if the circuit is complete, the bulb will glow. If the circuit is not complete, the bulb will not glow. So let's look at an electric circuit now. So electric circuit is a path for current to flow. Without path, the charges will not be able to move, the electrons will not be able to move. Now if there is no movement of electrons, then there is no electric current. So normally representing an electric circuit becomes a tedious task if we do not do it in a simple way, because when you look at the circuit will consist of a lot of wires, it will consist of a lot of batteries, bulb and other electrical components. Now when we want to represent that electric circuit on a piece of paper, now drawing a bulb, drawing a battery, all those things would become very tedious, and that is why we make use of a circuit diagram. So in this circuit diagram, instead of drawing a real bulb, we use a symbol which represents bulb. Similarly, instead of drawing a battery or a cell, we represent a symbol which represents a battery. So that's how we draw a circuit diagram. However, we will not learn about circuit diagram and their symbols right now. You will learn about them in class 7. But if you are curious to know about them, you can refer the video on physics class 7. So that's how we draw a circuit diagram using the conventional symbols. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.